What's going on, Sneaker Talk fam? Welcome back to a brand new pickup video. It has been a while since I've last seen you guys on the channel. I missed you guys a lot. Thank you for your patience. I had not even realized it's been 3 weeks since the last upload. 3 weeks. That's a hot minute. So if you guys haven't seen the last video, we reviewed the Volt, the Volt Golden ones. But today we got some heat that I purchased from Adidas. Now, you guys probably know by now that when it comes to like the hype for the Adidas NMD line, it's dramatically decreased over the last couple of years. However, this pair right here, this pair I think is the best NMD R1 or best NMD of 2021 so far. I think these are super underrated, and we'll be showing you guys that along with some more Adidas pickups today as well. Now, I will be going back to covering sneaker news later this week or this weekend, so if you guys want to see some sneaker news, make sure you guys subscribe, hit that red button, hit notifications on, all that good stuff, and hit that like button too if you missed the content and want to make sure the algorithm hits you guys with my videos in the recommended and homepage. So yeah, I picked these up from Adidas's website, and the really weird thing about these pickups is these are pickups that were not supposed to have extra additional discount on them. However, I applied a discount code I had on my account and I got 30% off both of these sneakers, where on the actual website it says discounts and promos are excluded for this item. So I'll leave links to the sneakers in the description down below, along with Adidas's sale items if you guys want to see what is currently available. And then we also picked up some other new pants too, because Adidas makes some really nice pants. So we'll show you guys shortly, probably in between the sneaker pairs. And just a heads up, I have been uploading on YouTube a lot, almost daily, just not on this channel. I've been uploading on another channel called SneakerTalk TCG, and we recently picked up these like $200 Japanese Pokemon cards, not just one box, but 2 boxes. So in the last month, we've gained over 2,000 subscribers organically on the SneakerTalk TCG channel. So if you guys like Pokemon at all, or want to relive some nostalgia, or want to see if I'm able to pull anything worth any big money out of these $200 boxes, then check out my Pokemon channel, SneakerTalk TCG. I'll leave it linked down below. Shout out to everybody who has been active in the SneakerTalk family on that channel. We have a really fun community over on there. So yeah, I'll be opening up those Pokemon cards after this video. So let's get into the first sneaker pickup. This is a pair of Adidas UltraBoost, and I believe I did my top 10 Adidas sneakers of 2020 video a few weeks ago. If you guys missed that, along with my other top 10 videos, check them out. Yeah, I feel good to be back making videos. I kind of do want to make a vlog, but there really isn't too much to vlog. I do have to do a full sneaker collection very soon, along with a condo tour before I move out next month. So let's get to this first pair. This is the Adidas UltraBoost 1.0 DNA, and you can kind of call these the Oreos. These look absolutely amazing. I'm surprised this might have been like a retro colorway, I want to say, but I feel like this is still new to me. So it's a really nice take on the Adidas UltraBoost 1.0 DNA. And if you guys don't know about the DNA line when it comes to UltraBoost, they basically have renamed this version of the UltraBoost as like a lifestyle silhouette, while they're still pumping out newer UltraBoosts like the UltraBoost 21s that just released, and we also have like the UltraBoost 20s, UltraBoost 19s. So the DNA is more of like that lifestyle kind of look, because the newer ones are really meant more for performance running, while these ones you can definitely get away with wearing as like a lifestyle sneaker for flexing your outfit. I love the mixture of black and white, and you can kind of call these the Oreos. That's typically what most people end up doing when there's like a black and white color UltraBoost or kind of a sneaker. So these are really sick, and the retail price for these is 250 Canadian dollars, which is the standard pricing for new UltraBoost sneakers, and I got these for $175, which is 30% off. So if you guys like these, I'll leave them linked down below for my Canadian and American viewers, and we'll have some on-feet footage on screen for you guys with the new Adidas pants I also purchased as well. So these are really clean. I really like these. What do you guys think about the UltraBoost? Let me know, of course, in the comment section down below. Let's get to the pants. So Adidas makes a super popular line of pants called the Tiro pants, and every single year they put out a new Tiro pants. It's like their go-to kind of like soccer sweatpants. It looks very athletic. It's like in the same kind of fashion state, I guess you could say, or same kind of lane as like Nike Tech Fleece, but for Adidas fans. This right here is their new Tiro 21 for this year. So yeah, here's a look at them. They have the black stripes that go down like 3/4 of the way, and then you also have sort of like this mesh lining up here at the top. So it's mesh with 3 stripes, and then it shows the actual 3 stripes right there. Super comfortable. These pants are always like a go-to for a lot of people. I most definitely wear these for like all of my Adidas on feet videos and stuff like that, just to show you guys what they look like, because this is going to be an essential piece in my wardrobe. If you need to update your sweatpant rotation, definitely look into the Tiro line. You don't just have to look at the Tiro 21s, the other ones are really great as well. Next up, let's get to the main attraction for today's video. A sneaker that I think is super underrated in 2021, and I thought these would have sold out instantly. I honestly genuinely thought that these would be gone within the first week, just because of how much these look like inspired by Pharrell NMD, like the Pharrell HU sneakers. So let's pop open the box here. Let's quickly take a look at the box. You have an all black box, which is pretty typical for a lot of NMD silhouettes. We'll pop it open. Oh my gosh, wow. Let's just take these out. So these are just the NMD R1 PK, a prime knit version of the NMD R1. So this is still available. I'll leave a link down below in the description. I'll have a full review for these sneakers on the channel, so subscribe, hit that red button down below. And these use a full prime knit yellow upper. Take a look at that branding though. This is not what we're used to seeing when it comes to NMDs, having this writing going down the center of the shoe. It's very reminiscent of the Pharrell line. And not only that, but it's that signature Pharrell color that was iconic and super famous for the OG original Pharrell hues. This shoe right here really is like a shadow, like a next level version of the NMD that really pays tribute to the Pharrell hues. Like this color is like I was gonna say on fleek, it's on point. Like it is on point to the Pharrell yellow NMDs. And at a retail price point, these are currently retailing for 220 Canadian dollars, and I managed to get these for 30% off, which made it 154 Canadian, so maybe like 110, 120 US. That's amazing for this kind of shoe, this kind of material, all prime knit upper. We have rope laces with these hits of 3M reflective material. You got the Adidas branding on the back. Overall, such a really great pickup for the start of the year. Now it is snowing. It's snowing a lot in Canada. The last couple of days it's been snowing, so I probably won't get much use out of these, at least for another month or two, just because you really can't wear these in the snow. Your feet are gonna freeze. However, when it is time to wear these, when the weather is nice enough to wear these, I can't wait to wear these a ton, because the yellow colorway, those resale prices are just like, they don't make sense for me to pay. As much as the Pharrell NMD hype has fallen down, those OG silhouettes, those OG colorways, they are going to, you know, maintain their value. They're going to still be a grail for a lot of people. So this is going to be my poor man's Pharrell NMDs, and I'm not even that upset about it. It looks amazing, and if you are in the same boat as me and you genuinely love the sneaker for what it is, a really great colorway of an NMD, paying tribute to one of the most iconic NMDs, the Pharrell ones, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. And of course, you guys saw the UltraBoost too, so let me know which sneaker you guys prefer more. Did you guys like the NMD R1s, or did you guys like the UltraBoost 1.0 DNA Oreos? Of course, hit that like button down below. It feels really good to be back on the channel. We're gonna try and upload a little more consistently now. I know 3 weeks has flown by. It really felt like I was being productive uploading on the SneakerTalk Pokemon channel, which I'll leave linked down below. But at the end of the day, I never really updated you guys for 3 weeks on this channel. I posted that one review and I was gone. So if you guys want to stay up to date, make sure you guys follow me on Twitter, on Instagram. It's at SneakerTalkCA. We'll also be streaming on Twitch tonight, twitch.tv/SneakerTalkCA, playing some Apex, Overwatch, maybe opening some Pokemon cards or playing Pokemon cards. And thank you guys for the continued support. I know a lot of people might be over these silhouettes right now because it's 2021, but I honestly think these are still really fire sneakers. So catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace out.